So next up, we do have the gold. Gold, as you all know, those who are or who have been attending the sessions over and over again, you know my opportunities that I look for in gold is for buying opportunities where I'm looking for good places to buy, not so much to trade it. In terms of gold here, I'm not looking at it. I think that it will come down, but I'm not looking to trade it downwards. I'm looking for it to come down, test this 1777 level before possibly going back up again. This will be the part where you don't look to sell. You're sitting there waiting for it, letting it track downwards before looking for good buying opportunities at that reaction level of 1777. So with that said, you know, those of you who have not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you get onto the YouTube channel. My course that I usually are used to charge thousands of dollars for is now fully uploaded on the YouTube channel. You can watch for free entirely. It's all YouTube, so it's entirely for free. You can, you know, reach out. You get the tools, so the indicators are all there available to you to be sent to you entirely for free as well.